Installing patio lights is a great way to create a warm, cozy atmosphere in any outdoor space. Whether you are stringing lights across your backyard or suspending them over tables at an outdoor cafe, here are some quick tips to make your installation as simple as possible. Tip number 1. Plan out your lights. Figure out where you need your anchor points, then measure the distance between them so you know how many feet of patio lights you'll need. Rough sketching is a good way to help visualize how your strings will look, as well as helping keep track of measurements. Tip number 2. Choose durable anchor point locations. When choosing anchor points, make sure that surfaces or structures are durable enough to withstand having your lights attached. Good anchor points include trees, walls, railings, poles, and building eaves. Tip number 3. Attaching stringers to trees. If you are planning to use a tree as one of your anchor points, make sure you are attaching the patio lights to the trunk using a hook. Do not try to suspend the strings from branches, as the lights will most likely fall when it gets windy. Tip number 4. Test your strings before hanging them. There is nothing more frustrating than finishing your installation only to find that a section of lights doesn't work when you turn them on. This is why you should always test your stringers and bulbs beforehand. Tip number 5. Use guy wires when needed. Use guy wires for long runs of patio lights. They will support the stringers and help keep them from sagging over time. If your patio stringer has eyelets, you will need to thread the wire through them first before hanging it. If the stringer doesn't have eyelets, then attach the stringer using zip ties. Tip number 6. Ideal mounting height. Patio lights should be mounted high enough that no one will accidentally walk into them. In most instances, suspending them at least 8 to 10 feet off the ground allows for good clearance. Tip number 7. Use shatter-resistant bulbs. We recommend using shatter-resistant bulbs for permanent installations. The elastic envelope will not shatter on impact, so you won't have to clean up glass shards. Ready to install your patio lights? From residential stringers to high-quality commercial stringers, we have the perfect lights for you. Speak with one of our lighting experts today at 855-948-5079 or visit us online at 1000bulbs.com.